hiccups. Peppa, George, Mommy, and Daddy were having breakfast. It's a lovely sunny day, and Peppa and George can't wait to go into the garden to play. Mommy, please can we go out to play? You can go out to play when you finish your breakfast. George, don't drink your juice too quickly. George drank his juice too quickly and now he has hiccups. Can we go out to play now, Mommy? No, why George he has hiccups, but George hiccups have gone. Mommy has to say George. All right, you can go and play, but look after George. Peppa and George love playing in the garden. George, I'm gonna throw the ball, and then you have to catch it. George, please stop hiccuping. George, now you throw the ball to me, and I have to catch it. George! Oh dear, George hiccups are spoiling again. George, you don't have to curl hiccups. You have to do what I say. Hey! Rub the top of your head and rub tummy. Good, now your hiccups have gone. Peppercorn and for hiccups doesn't seem to. John Dillon is all wrong. I know a better way to show hiccups. First, jump up and down 3 times on one leg. Now wave your arms up and down and stick your tongue out. Trrr, trrr, trrr. And now close your eye and turn around quickly. 3 times. Peppa Newcourt hasn't worked either, just still has hiccups. I know to cure hiccups. As a picky must be very sharp. John, I'm going to scare you, but you must remember it's only a game and I'll stop with your hiccups. Remember, this is pretty scary. Yeah! Peppa, you must play so running with John. He only little sorry, Mommy. I was just trying to stop your hiccups. Josh's hiccups have gone. Here comes Daddy Pig with 2 breaks of juice. Josh, if you drink too quickly, you will have hiccups again. I'm not as little as you. I can drink juice as quickly as I want to.